What's up, O'Brien Army? So today is the 19th anniversary of Hurricane Katrina. I thought I'd do a little video on it. So, as most of you probably know, Hurricane Katrina struck the Gulf Coast of New Orleans and the surrounding areas at 6 a.m. on August 29th of 2005. Thousands of people were killed. Hurricane Katrina was represented as a Category 4 hurricane. Now, thousands of people laid in the way. Hurricane Katrina put nearly 80% of the city underwater. Nearly 80% of the city was underwater. Thousands of people were killed, including children. Hurricane Katrina was described as the worst natural disaster in history, mostly because of the complications that came after. Everybody was hot on their rooftops. The temperatures were scorching, and everybody at the Superdome were likely victims of crimes such as rape and all that other stuff. Meanwhile, the prisoners at Orleans Parish Prison were stuck in there and left to die. Only after the hurricane did the guards come back for the prisoners. It was determined that the Tulane Medical Center, which is currently open once again, had several patients that were locked inside of the hospital. They had to be evacuated by helicopter and taken to another hospital. A lot of people tried breaking into the hospital. Seeing as it is the early morning hours, I just thought I'd do a quick update. And this video was made in remembrance of those who lost their lives in Katrina. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and click the bell notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.